I am so incredibly excited. We got our Funko Pops that I ordered. I got customized ones so I can go Funko myself. I know it sounds bad. So I didn't know until the other day, because my friend posted it on her Instagram, that you can make your own Funko Pops. I'm trying to take the sticker off. Or maybe not. You can make Funko Pops of yourself. And she did it for like her husband, and her child. So I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. How'd you do that? And she's like, on the Funko Pop website. And I was like, oh my god, that's so awesome. So what I did was, I did one for me and one for Daniel. And I'm about to show you these. It's so exciting. And I don't think Daniel has any idea that I ordered these, because I kind of shouldn't have, but I did. And it says, you are one of one. There are millions of ways to create a pop, but only one you. That is so cute. And so they're wrapped individually in here. This is so adorable. Like, I would never want to open it because to me it's like a collectible. But his kind of looks like it has gray hair, but I don't think it's gray. It's like, because his hair is like dirty blonde. It should be somewhere in between. That's Daniel. And he's holding a camera. And then that's Bunny. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, it's so cute. And I paid a little extra for this like case thing. And well, it's like mixed color here. I don't know. That's Daniel. And then mine, friends, her and her husband and her kids look just like them. It's so funny. Can't get the boxes closed again like they should be. And then mine, if I can get this open, hold on, let me put this down real quick. Oh my god, it's me and Thumper. We're Bunny. Isn't that cute? They don't have highlights, so I just did my brown hair and my glasses. And it says Lulu's World instead of Alana. Isn't that so cute? Why is Bunny not in her spot? I don't know. And then that's a phone, because I'm always using my phone. My cell phone. I didn't know what else to use. Oh, I don't have a message. I don't know what the message would be. Pop yourself. That is so adorable. I can't. And I'm wearing a black dress and like flip-flops because that's what I would wear. And Daniel's wearing a white t-shirt because that's what he used to wear when we met, and like pants and like those shoes. It's so Daniel. It's so cute. It looks like us. I can't. It's just so cute. I cannot. It's Daniel and me. Oh my god. I will leave the link for you in the description box so you can see where you can go to make your own Funko Pops. These are so darn cute. I can't. I just can't. How do you get this to stand up? I'm trying to make it so you can see them better without the glare in the way. Hold on, let me turn the light off. Aren't they so adorable? I can't, but I can. It's just so cute. Now you can't see it. Go with the light off. All right. Aren't we so cute? Daniel and Bunny, and then me and Thumper, or Bunny. So cute.